सो हाय एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग। आई होप आप लोगों को मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है। अगर आवाज़ आ रही है तो एक बार जल्दी से कमेंट सेक्शन में बता दीजिए। कमेंट करके बताएंगे कि आप लोगों को मेरी आवाज़ क्लियर है। फिर हम लोग आज के इस टॉपिक के साथ स्टार्ट करेंगे कि मल्टीफाई एप्लीकेशन को यूज़ कैसे करना है। तो जल्दी से सब लोग एक बार कमेंट करके बताएंगे और मैं कुछ लोगों के ज्वाइन करने का वेट भी करूँगा, ठीक है। और तब तक ना हम थोड़ी बहुत बातें करेंगे कि हम लोग कैसे आगे चल सकते हैं मार्केट के अंदर। आप लोग कहाँ से हैं, आपकी मार्केट की जर्नी कैसी चल रही है, हर एक टॉपिक के बारे में बात करेंगे। तो चलिए जल्दी से एक बार। ओके, आ रही है हितेन सिंह, ओके स्वरूप, एम के शर्मा सिंह, आ रही है। चलिए, तो जल्दी से सब लोग एक बार कमेंट करके बताएंगे। रितेश पटेल, हेलो हेलो हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग। तो बताइए सबसे पहले कौन कौन से स्टेट से हैं आप लोग, फिर हम लोग इस कारवा को आगे बढ़ाएंगे। सबसे पहले बताइए कौन से स्टेट से हैं आप लोग। एंड अभी तक हम लोग ना यार सिर्फ ऑफलाइन वीडियोस के थ्रू जुड़ रहे थे, बट पहली बार हम लोग इस चैनल के ऊपर लाइव जुड़ रहे हैं, वन ऑन वन। ओके, सेट टू गो, सेट टू गो, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी नाइस वेरी नाइस। तो आप लोग जल्दी से बताइए कौन कौन से स्टेट से हैं। स्वरूप सिंह राजस्थान से हैं, ओके बहुत बढ़िया। गुजरात, रितेश, एम के शर्मा इज फ्रॉम यूपी, ऑल राइट ऑल राइट। और बाकी सब लोग कहाँ से हैं? यूपी, एच वी व्लॉग्स यूपी से हैं। चलिए, और बाकी सब लोग कहाँ से हैं? अभी मेरे को सबके आंसर्स नहीं आए हैं, जितने लोग मेरे को दिख रहे हैं ना यहाँ पे, सबके आंसर्स नहीं आए हैं। चलिए, तो अभी हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे गाइस। सबसे पहले रिक्वेस्ट है कि यार इस स्ट्रीम को एक बार जल्दी से लाइक कर दो। दिल्ली से हैं हितेन, ओके। इस स्ट्रीम को एक बार जल्दी से लाइक कर दो ताकि मेरे को भी मोटिवेशन मिले, मेरा भी यार थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़े, और हम लोग जितना सीखने आए हैं उससे कहीं ज़्यादा सीख के जाएं। इंद्रप्रीत कह रहे हैं राजस्थान से, ऑल राइट ऑल राइट, ठीक है। जल्दी से एक बार स्ट्रीम को लाइक करेंगे, मेरा भी कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़े। मैं आपको जितना टाइम कमिट करने वाला था, अगर आप चाहते हो कि मैं उससे ज़्यादा टाइम आप लोगों के लिए कमिट करूं, ठीक है, और एक स्पेशल ऑफर भी आपको मिले, तो जल्दी से स्ट्रीम को लाइक कर दो। और अगर आप लोगों को स्पेशल ऑफर चाहिए ना, स्पेशल ऑफर चाहिए स्ट्रीम के लास्ट में, वेबिनार के लास्ट में, तो रिक्वेस्ट है जो भी बीच में सवाल पूछे जाएं वो आंसर ज़रूर करें। और मैं अपने पास नेम लिख के रखूंगा, जो भी आपकी आईडी है ना, वो मैं नेम अपने पास लिख के रखूंगा, ठीक है। तो चलिए जल्दी से एक बार लाइक करेंगे स्ट्रीम को। चलिए, ऑल राइट ऑल राइट, ओके। आई एम फ्रॉम वरांगल, नाइस नाइस नाइस। वरांगल कौन से स्टेट में है? कौन से स्टेट में है ज्योति? ठीक है, रिक्वेस्ट है कि स्टेट बोले, ठीक है। कोई अगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट का नाम या फिर कोई सिटी का नेम बोलेगा तो मे भी मिस हो जाए, ठीक है। तो रिक्वेस्ट है कि सब लोग स्टेट बताएं कौन कौन से स्टेट से हैं। बहुत बढ़िया। चलिए, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुली हमारे साथ लोगों ने आज ज्वाइन किया है, और जितना मैं देख पा रहा हूँ काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है आप लोगों की तरफ से। तो चलिए आज के इस कारवा को स्टार्ट करते हैं। अब मैं आप लोगों से एक सवाल पूछूंगा तेलंगाना से, ओके ऑल राइट ऑल राइट। अब मैं आप लोगों से एक ना बेसिक क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा। बचपन में ना यार सुपर हीरोज का हमें बहुत रहता था ना कि यार, ओके रांची से है, रांची झारखंड से, ऑल राइट। तो चलिए गाइस अभी हम लोग स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। जब हम लोग छोटे थे ना, तो हम लोगों ने सुपर हीरोज तो बहुत सारे देखे थे, ठीक है। उनके पास किसी टाइप की पावर होती थी जो हम चाहते थे कि यार हमारे पास भी हो। क्या ऐसा होता था, येस और नो? मे बी किसी ने शक्तिमान देखा हो, मे बी किसी ने कोई और सुपर हीरो देखा हो, बैटमैन देखा हो, स्पाइडरमैन देखा हो, बहुत सारे सुपर हीरोज थे। तो सबके पास ना कुछ अपनी अपनी पावर्स होती थी। अब हमारा भी ये मन करता था कि यार ये वाली पावर ना मेरे पास होनी चाहिए, मैं भी इस पावर से ना दुनिया बदल सकता हूँ, ठीक है, या फिर मैं भी इस पावर से दुनिया बदल सकती हूँ। तो आप लोगों का फेवरेट सुपर हीरो कौन था? तो जल्दी से एक बार कमेंट करके बताइए। यस, ओके, बहुत बढ़िया बहुत बढ़िया। चलिए जल्दी से कमेंट करके बताइए कि आप लोगों का भी कोई सुपर हीरो फेवरेट था या आप लोग भी ऐसा सोचते थे। कमेंट करके बताएंगे जल्दी से, ठीक है। जो भी मैं बोलूँ ना आप लोग जल्दी जल्दी कमेंट करेंगे ताकि मेरे को जल्दी से रिस्पॉन्स मिले और मैं इस कारवा को आगे बढ़ाता रहूं। बैटमैन, ओके, ऑल राइट ऑल राइट। चलिए, तो किसी का बैटमैन था, किसी का स्पाइडरमैन था, ठीक है, ऐसे ही बहुत सारे मैन थे, ठीक है। अब जब हम लोग बड़े हुए ना तो हमें लगा यार एक ही चीज की पावर सबसे ज्यादा है, वो बॉडी पावर नहीं है, मसल पावर नहीं है, वो है मनी की पावर। क्रिश, ओके, ऑल राइट, ठीक है। जब हम लोग बड़े हुए ना तो यार एक ही चीज लगी कि मनी की पावर सबसे ज्यादा है। तो अब मनी की तरफ जाने के लिए हम सब ने ना एक रास्ता चुना। हम सब ने एक रास्ता चुना कि यार हम लोग ना स्टॉक मार्केट की तरफ देखते हैं, मे बी हम लोग यहां से एक ऐसा इनकम सोर्स बना सकें जो कि हमें फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट बना दे। यस यस, आई विल बी डूइंग इन इंग्लिश एज वेल, ओके। फर्स्ट आई विल बी गोइंग इन हिंदी, देन वी विल बी डूइंग इन इंग्लिश एज वेल, ओके। वंडर वुमेन, ओके, ठीक है। तो ये सबका ना कहीं मोटिव था। जब हम लोग बड़े हुए तो यार पैसा होना चाहिए, बिकॉज फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम ही सब कुछ है आज के टाइम पे, या फिर मैं बोलूँ पहले के टाइम पे भी जिसके पास फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम है ना कहीं वो इंसान दुनिया एक्सप्लोर कर सकता है। तो हम सबको ना फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम चाहिए, उसी चीज़ के लिए हमने स्टॉक मार्केट का रास्ता चुना और हम सभी लोग स्टॉक मार्केट के अंदर आए। अब देखिए, हर किसी की ना मजबूरी होती है कि कोई स्टॉक मार्केट में आया तो सही, बट उसको ना जॉब भी करनी पड़ रही है, बिकॉज हो सकता है वो एप्टीट्यूड अवेलेबल ना हो उनके पास, ठीक है। किसी किसी की फैमिली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज इतनी ज़्यादा है कि वो स्टॉक मार्केट के ऊपर ध्यान ही नहीं दे पाते, स्किल ही डेवलप नहीं कर पाते। बट दुनिया में ना बहुत कम लोग ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने स्टॉक मार्केट की स्किल को डेवलप किया है। कहीं ना कहीं स्टॉक मार्केट की स्किल को मास्टर करने की तरफ उन्होंने अपने कदम बढ़ाए थे बहुत ही छोटी एज से। अब हमें क्या करना है, उन्हीं लोगों का सहारा लेना है आगे बढ़ने के लिए। अगर हमारे पास वो स्किल डेवलप करने का टाइम नहीं था, या फिर हम लोगों की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज इतनी ज़्यादा है कि हम लोग उस पर टाइम ही नहीं दे सकते, तो हमें किसका सहारा लेना है? जिन लोगों ने स्किल डेवलप करी। अब जिन्होंने अपनी स्किल डेवलप करी वो दो तरह के लोग हैं। वो दो तरह के लोग हैं। हाउ मच टाइम? इट विल टेक ईयर्स, इट विल टेक ईयर्स। वो दो तरह के लोग हैं। नंबर वन, जिनको सिर्फ अपने से मतलब है, सिर्फ पैसा आना चाहिए उनके पास। नंबर टू, कुछ ऐसे लोग जो कि खुद का पैसा भी चाहते हैं बट आपके साथ कभी भी कुछ गलत नहीं करेंगे। तो मल्टीफाई ना उन नंबर टू कैटेगरी में से आता है, जो कि बहुत कम लोग हैं। मल्टीफाई अकेला ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जो कि आपको एक्यूरेसी के साथ पूरा डेटा देता है, चाहे वो पिछला डेटा हो, हिस्टोरिकल डेटा हो, या फिर आप डेली का डेटा देखो। मल्टीफाई अकेला ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जो कि आपको एग्जैक्ट डेटा दिखाता है। बट बहुत जगह आप ये देखते होगे कि यार 90% एक्यूरेसी, 100% एक्यूरेसी। यार 100% एक्यूरेसी मार्केट में हो सकती है क्या? ऐसा तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है ना कि हम लोग 100% एक्यूरेसी की तरफ चले जाएं। मे बी कभी कभी निकल जाए 100% एक्यूरेसी, बट रेगुलर निकालना, रेगुलर मार्केट कंडीशंस पे 100% एक्यूरेसी दिखाई जाती है। कहीं ना कहीं वो आपका भी टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है और आपकी फैमिली का भी टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है। आप लोग जितना आगे बढ़ना चाह रहे थे ना उतना आगे बढ़ ही नहीं पाओगे। उसके लिए आपको एक परफेक्ट प्लेटफॉर्म की जरूरत है, जो कि मल्टीफाई आपको प्रोवाइड करता है, और मल्टीफाई के रजिस्टर्ड एनालिस्ट भी आपके साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। तो चलिए गाइस, हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो स्टार्ट करने के लिए जल्दी से एक बार लाइक प्रेस कर दीजिए और जल्दी से कमेंट में लिखिए स्टार्ट। तो हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे कि मल्टीफाई को कैसे यूज किया जाए। तो जल्दी से कमेंट बॉक्स में टाइप करेंगे स्टार्ट लिखेंगे या फिर लाइक को प्रेस करेंगे। चलिए जल्दी से स्टार्ट लिखेंगे। हाउ मच एक्यूरेसी एट मल्टीफाई आई विल लेट यू नो। मैं आपको प्रूफ्स के साथ दिखाऊंगा आज, ठीक है। मैं आज आपको प्रूफ्स के साथ दिखाने वाला हूं कि इतनी एक्यूरेसी आपको मिल रही है। चलिए, तो जल्दी से सब लोग स्टार्ट लिखेंगे। एम के शर्मा जी एचवी व्लॉग्स कह रहे हैं कि स्टार्ट कीजिए। चलिए, एवरीवन इज सेइंग स्टार्ट। स्वरूप कह रहे हैं ड्रामा एंड डिसिप्लिन। रितेश पटेल कह रहे हैं स्टार्ट। चलिए गाइस, ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट। तो देखिए गाइस, आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है दैट इज हाउ टू यूज मल्टीफाई एप्लीकेशन। हमारे फोन में ना आज एक पावर आ गई है मल्टीफाई की। अब उस पावर को हम लोग यूज करके कैसे फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम की तरफ बढ़ सकते हैं, तो इसके बारे में ही आज हम लोग बात करेंगे। चलिए, तो आज हम लोग सीखने क्या वाले हैं, सबसे पहले इसके बारे में बात कर लेते हैं। हम लोग मल्टीफाई एप्लीकेशन के बारे में जानेंगे आज कि मल्टीफाई करता क्या है, मल्टीफाई ट्रेडिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज फाइंड कैसे करता है, मल्टीफाई की जो ट्रेडिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज है ना उसको यूज कैसे किया जाए, साथ ही साथ ट्रेडर्स कैसे एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हैं मल्टीफाई की ट्रेडिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज को। तो ये सारी चीजों के बारे में आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं। चलिए, उससे पहले कुछ विजनरी पीपल के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं जिनका विजन था मल्टीफाई को इस डायरेक्शन में ले जाने का। उनमें से सबसे पहले हैं हमारे सीईओ मिस्टर रचित चावला जी। सो मिस्टर रचित चावला जी की जर्नी आप यहां से पढ़ सकते हैं। विद ईयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस एंड विद ईयर्स ऑफ एडवाइजरी एक्सपीरियंस, इन्वेस्टमेंट एडवाइजरी एक्सपीरियंस, ही इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट विजनरी लीडर्स इस इंडस्ट्री के अंदर। साथ ही साथ बात करेंगे हमारे डायरेक्टर के बारे में, मिस्टर दर्शन। सो उनकी जर्नी के बारे में भी आप थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ सकते हैं यहां पे। उनकी जर्नी के बारे में भी हम लोग थोड़ा सा यहां पे पढ़ सकते हैं। सो इनसे रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो, यू कैन डायरेक्टली आस्क मी, ओके। चलिए, सो आज की इस जर्नी से हम लोग एक मिशन सेट करेंगे अपना, ओके। सो व्हाट विल बी आवर मिशन एट मल्टीफाई? वी आर नॉट हेयर टू थ्रो रैंडम टिप्स। हम कोई आपको शॉर्टकट्स या रैंडम टिप्स नहीं दे रहे हैं, बट वी आर हेयर टू हेल्प यू विद okay. Yes, guys, I am reading your comments, okay. In case if anyone has any specific question, you can directly ask, okay. Please, no cross questioning, otherwise I have to. Okay, thank you. Okay, so what will be our mission? So our mission is to build confidence through structured and proven systems. Then we will try to gain clarity in reading the market like a professional, okay. Then we will try to take control of our trading results with data, discipline and direction. But उसके लिए एक गोल सेट करना पड़ेगा. We need to be aligned with everything, okay. We need to be aligned with every point that I have discussed, and we need to be on the same page. So what will be your commitment? Your commitment is to bring consistency, curiosity and your desire to grow. Then what will be our commitment? We will try to give you the strategy, the technology and the support system to win. So with this, let's move to the next part. What does Multyfi actually do? So Multyfi is like a trade idea platform that is designed to help traders focus only on high probability opportunities. Multyfi provides you ready to execute trade ideas. Then Multyfi trades are filtered using data, logic and experience. The highlight of this point is that Multyfi is using data to filter your trades. That is one of the most, you can say that is one of the most important things in the market. Multyfi trades saves your time by removing manual stock scanning. So Multyfi in general tells you where the trading opportunity is, not the random stock names. Okay. So if you want, sir, we have received sell and buy. It takes a lot of money. Yeah. I'll give you a solution, Shashi. I'll give you a solution regarding that. Okay. No worries. No worries. So now the question is how to find trade opportunities on Multyfi. So let's start with our main part, how to find trade opportunities on Multyfi. So first you are required to open your application. If you are yet to download your application, you can directly go to Play Store or App Store. Just type Multyfi, Multyfi, and you can proceed with the download. All right. Chali. Now let's move to the next part. How to find trades inside the application. So first you are required to open the Multyfi application. Then on the bottom, you can see 5 options. As you can see in this slide, you can see 5 options. First is your home, then is your refer, then third is your trades. Here is your trades option. You can check my mouse. I am pointing on the trades option. Home, refer, then trades. As soon as you click the trades, you will get the notifications, you will get your trade ideas across all segments. So there are two types of trade ideas. First are your active trades, then are your closed trades. So once we are done with the trade, we close the trade, and the trades that are running, they are under the section active trades or the live trades. And you can check the past performance through the Excel sheet that is present itself in the app. You can access that Excel through your app application only. Okay. So now let's start with the now I am going to share one video with you where you can see how to log into your application and how you can find your trade opportunities using Multyfi. Okay. So I hope everyone is able to watch my screen. Everyone is on the screen and able to watch my screen. And I am starting with the application tutorial. So first of all, when you download your application, you need to put in a number and you need to continue. You will get an OTP. Okay, you need to put the OTP and you need to log into Multyfi. So this is how you can start with the Multyfi application. Now, when you open your Multyfi application, you will see this home screen, that is the home page. So under homepage section, we cover a lot of things like Multyfi's performance, like you can upgrade your plan to any other segment as well. Apart from that, you can check the sector wise trends. So this is what we have on the home page with Multyfi application. So you can check as I'm showing you that equity monthly, FNO monthly, you can check every type of plan under Multyfi application. So this is something like a superhero power that you can unleash to check your trades, to put your trades, and use these trades to achieve your financial freedom. So we will start with the tutorial now. So these are the sectors, and talking about this part, this is the market sentiment part. So where you can check whether the market is bearish, whether fear is rising, whether the greed is rising. So all this you can check through your Multyfi application. So you can check the commentary as well and the fear score as well. As of now, the fear score on 13th February after market is 58.12. So it indicates that investors are worried and becoming risk averse. So it is written all over the Multyfi application. You can directly go and check everything. So now let's move to the next part, that is your testimonials. So now let's move to the next part, that is your testimonials. Okay, I'll take all the comments. Okay, all right. So these are some of the testimonials, like why users prefer Multyfi, why they like Multyfi. So all of these things are being covered here. So now let's check the plans, what type of plans we are having. First, we can go with the equity plan. So what is equity? You trade directly under the stocks, you trade directly with the stocks. And there are three types of plans with equity. First is our monthly plan, that is available at 999 per month. With quarterly plan, you get 33.3% off at 1999 for 3 months. That is approximately 666 per month. And if you can opt for yearly plan, you get 70% off. The actual cost was approximately around 12,000. The actual cost was approximately around 12,000, but if you opt for the yearly plan, you can get at 3600 or 3599. So these are the three types of plans available with equity segment. We will move to the FNO segment. What type of plans we have with FNO segment? So what is FNO? FNO is something, the full form of FNO is futures and options, where you trade under derivatives. Okay. So you choose derivatives to trade. Basically, FNO is part of derivatives. You can, okay. Yeah, I'll cover it. I'll cover it. Do not worry. Do not worry. I am taking your comments. Please. Done. So we can move to the FNO part. So you have three plans: monthly, quarterly, and yearly at 14.99, 26.99, and 53.99. So these are the pricing for FNO commodities, and you have the option to choose equity plus FNO, because most of the traders prefer equity and FNO together. So they can trade on their stocks as well, and apart from that, they can use options and futures to trade their underlying. So now we can move to the most important section, that is how to read your trades. So now let's move to the trades section, how to read your trades. Just 1 second, guys. I am having some network issue with this. Just 1 second, guys. I'm taking 1 minute of yours. Okay, just give me a minute. Till then, you can write how is your webinar going, how is everything going. Till then, you can write in the comment section how is everything going. Yes, guys. Till then, you can write how is everything going with you guys. Okay. I hope everything is fine. All right. Hindi. I'll cover in Hindi as well. Okay. First, we are going to cover in English. Then we are going to cover in Hindi as well. Okay, Swaroop. All right. So, guys, let's talk about the most important part that we have: how to read your trades section. That is very important. If you are getting your trades, you need to execute them to earn money or to make profit from the market. First of all, we are going to talk about our first segment, that is equity. So as you can see, I have my equity section opened here. So this is how my equity section looks like. On top, you will get the live trade ideas. Okay. So how many trades are going on? four trades are going at the moment. There are four live trades with equity section. So as you can see, the first trade, that is Style Bazaar or Style Bazaar. So the current price of this particular stock is 353.65. So now I am showing that how to read your trade. Okay, how to read your trade and how to execute your trade. So the current price of this stock is 353.65. Then you get the percentage. Okay, this is trade. The stock is trading at 0.10% down from the yesterday's close. Okay, now you check the type of trade you have. This is your medium term trade. Okay, MED means medium term trade. All right, then your date. So now let's talk about the date. It is very important. The format is something different. Hi. So the trade was posted on 13th February 2026 at 11:51 a.m. Okay, you get trades during the live market on 13th February 2026 at 11:51 a.m. The trade was posted. The trade said entry price should be 351. So what is it? What should be your entry price? It should be 351. What should be your target? It is 392 rupees. Then you get the entry range, that is between 350 and 352. So you can enter anywhere between 350 and 352. And your stop loss is at 316. It means if you are entering at 351 or 352, Nikhil, you can go with it. 351 or 352. Yes, Yogesh, I'll let you know. 351 or 352, if you are entering at 351 or 352, make sure you put your stop loss at 316. That is very important. And your target at 392. Then what will be your margin? That is 351 per share. So how we can calculate the margin? How much money we are going to deposit with the broker? So you enter at 351. Okay, if you take one share, your margin will be 351. If you take 10 shares, what will be your margin? You need to comment. If you take one share at 351, your margin will be 351. If you take 10 shares, what will be your margin? So I need comments from you guys. Yes, you will get it. So can anyone answer what will be your margin? Yes, please, guys. Medium term means 1 month or 3 months. Okay, medium term, you can see it as a 1 month, or you can see maximum till 1 month. Basically, you get your stop losses and your targets. Okay, so once you get your stop loss and target, it can be hit within 1 day. It can take 2 days. It can take 3 days. It can take a week as well. So it depends. Okay, so now you get the section gained so far, that is 0.75%. Okay, so what the stock has gained from the given trade and what is the potential left with the trade. So you get all the information within your trade section. Okay, then there is a caution that you need to execute your order in the entry range. Okay, so you need to execute your order only in the entry range. You won't execute until your trade is in entry range. Okay, You won't execute your trade until your order is in entry range. Okay. Now let's move forward. How you can check about the trade, how you can execute your trade. Okay. So you can see the about trade section. You can check this about trade section. So once you click on the about trade, okay, I'm replaying it. So once you click on the about trade, you get your everything about the trade in this section. Here is your view PDF. You can check the PDF, all the disclaimers and everything, and you can click on execute order. So once you click on execute order, there will be multiple options, multiple broker options that you can select. You can directly connect your broker. You can directly connect your broker to Multyfi, and you can just click on the execute order. You can just click on the execute order and your order will be executed. Yes, yes. You will get it. You will get it. Don't worry. So now if you want to check the past performance, so you get four options. You get 30 days, 60 days, 90 days and all. Okay. So what is the accuracy when you choose all? It is around 85.15%. So let's check for every day now, every duration now. So in 30 days you get around 75% accuracy, 78% 60 days, 90 days 72% accuracy. So you can check accuracy through your application as well. Then if we talk about the closed trades, so these are the closed trades that we have. So you can check, we closed Sonacoms with return of 1.12%. Okay, so the net gain was 1.1% after your charges. So your entry was at 534 and your exit was at 540. So this was your intraday trade. So similarly, you get your intraday trade, you get your midterm trade, you get your long-term trades, everything under this section. Okay. And on top, you can check download Excel option. Okay. You can check download Excel option. You can check the past performance where we gave the buy call, where we asked you to exit your trade. So you get everything mentioned in this Excel. Okay. So now let's go to multi-baggers. So now we will talk about multi-baggers. So in multi-baggers, you get similar kinds of trades. Black buck is your long-term trade with your entry at 630. The entry range is between 625 to and 625 to 635. So your target will be 1150, stop loss at 415. So you need to, you can like, if you enter the trade, you have to enter with the proper stop loss and with the proper target. Okay, so you can calculate the margin. Okay, yes. Again, with the caution, you can directly go to about trade and execute your trade, execute your long-term trade through your broker app. Okay. So may I know, like, which broker you guys use? Can you comment your broker? Can you comment your broker? Then I will move to the future section. That is one of the most important section. I hope everyone is waiting for the futures and option section. So I will be covering futures and options. Yes. So which broker you use? Like, is it Zerodha? Is it Grow? Is it let's say Dhan, Fires? So which broker you guys use? Can you comment? Okay, Yogesh is using Fires. Angel one. Okay, okay, nice, nice. Acha, you guys are using multiple brokers. I hope you have your account with multiple brokers. Angel one. Okay, okay. All right, all right. So now we are moving to futures section. So as you can check the past performance of our future trades, if you check the overall accuracy, it is at 82.01%. Overall accuracy in futures is approximately 82.01%. Okay. So what is the average duration of your trades? It's 0.83. It means that most of your trades, almost more than 90% of your trades are your intraday trades. So I hope we all are looking for intraday trades. So in futures, almost 90% of your trades are intraday based. Then your average return is 2.62%. That is very, very good. Very, very good. Okay. So in futures, we have given total of 289 trades. Out of those, 237 were winning trades. Okay. Isn't it great? Like out of 289, we we have 237 wins. Okay. Nice. So now let's move how to read your futures trade, how you can check your futures trade and how you can execute your futures trade. Now let's move to that section. So as you can see, this was your Nifty trade. Okay, this was your Nifty's trade. This was your short sell trade. So it was said on 13th Feb at 11:01. At 11:01 a.m. you should enter, you should short sell your Nifty at 25,617. Your duration will be intraday, and then your target was 25,598. So you, in just 4 minutes, in just 4 minutes you gained approximately 20 points. Okay, so in just 4 minutes you gained approximately 20 points. So I hope if you multiply 20 by 65, okay, so that is approximately 1300 rupees with one lot in just 4-5 minutes. Isn't it something like a superhero power that you have? All right. So now let's move to the next part. You have your other trade in Nifty, that is again a closed trade, future sell trade, 9110 profit per lot. You get you have If you have traded it, you must have had it in your demat. So this was something with futures I was willing to explain. Now let's move to the next section, that is your option section. So one of the most important sections that everyone is looking for. So I can see that many of you have your questions that it is taking a lot of capital. So don't worry, I'll give you a solution about it. Okay, how you can reduce your capital and how you can choose your specific option buying trades. Okay, so in options, we give two types of trades. We need to understand. Okay, first is your option buying trade, then other is your option hedging trade. Okay, one is your option buying and other is your option hedging. So if you get your option hedge trade, so it looks something like this. So whenever we say hedge, we go for legs. Legs means you need to execute multiple trades. Okay, you need to execute either two trades, maybe three, maybe four. Okay, so first you were asked to sell 25,800C. Okay, then you were asked to buy 26,500C. So this was your hedge trade. Your stop loss was 2000, target amount 1500. Okay, whenever you hedge your options, whenever you sell your options, the probability is in your favor. Okay, so we basically focus on the probability. Whenever you hedge your options, whenever you sell your options, the probability tends to be in your favor. Okay, then the final margin you need for this particular trade was 1,08,000. So your potential left is approximately around 1454. Approximately you have your approximately you have your full potential left of 1500 rupees. If you want to execute this trade, you can directly go to the application, you can directly go to about trade, you can choose your broker application. Okay, and just click on your broker application, you can directly execute your order, you can hedge your options, you can hedge your position, and you can book your profits whenever your target strikes. Okay, so now this is the past performance about our options calls. So past 30 days we have the 70%, 75% accuracy. Okay, total 73% accuracy in past 60 days. 90 days you have your 71% accuracy, and overall, talking about the overall accuracy, it is approximately around 76%. Okay, so this is something you are getting next to impossible. Okay, this is something next to impossible, and everything is transparent. You can just click on download excel, you can check all the trades, you can verify all the trades. You will get you will get your past performances, you will get your historical data, everything you can check from here. Download excel. Okay, then we will move to the past performance or the close trades. So this was your option hedge trade. So suppose this was your option buying trade, you had your profit at 383.5 per lot. So if you are getting 383 rupees in just 10-15 minutes. Okay, so guys, I will take your questions. Okay, do not worry, I'll take everything. Okay, I'll take your questions, each and every question I will cover. Okay, I will cover each and every question, so do not worry. Okay, I'm checking your questions. I'll cover each and everything. Okay, so if you are getting 383, 400 rupees in just 5-10 minutes. Okay, so this is something like this is again something like a superhero power you have with Multyfi. So again, as you can check, this was your option buying trade. This was your option hedging trade. Then you had your option buying trade. So if I talk about the ratio, 60% you get option buying, 40% you get option hedging trade. So if you are an option buyer, Multyfi is for you. If you're an option, if you want to hedge your options, then again Multyfi is for you as well. Okay, so now let's move to the next part, that is commodities. Okay, so now we are moving to commodities. So there are few people who love to trade under commodities. They love to trade commodities. So how you can check your commodities section? Now let's cover how you can check your commodities section. So when you come on the commodity section, you can check the close trades. So we booked the profit here at 3000 per lot. So we made an entry in copper futures at 1206, the short sell entry. We closed at 1203. So this was your commodity sell trade. So you can easily check the past performance through download Excel. You can download the Excel and you can check the past trades and you can verify the data. Everything is transparent with Multyfi. Okay, so this is what you get when you choose Multyfi. So I just want to know that now we are done with the you can say now we are done with the trade section. I just want to know that you are clear with the concepts, that how you can go and trade with the Multyfi application. If you are clear, just type clear in the comment section. If you are clear, just type, if your concepts are clear, just type clear in the comment section. I'm waiting for your comments. If you are clear with the concepts, just type clear in the comment section. Okay, HV Vlogs is clear. Moving to next. I can see only one comment. If there is any doubt, you can ask me. But if you are clear, just type clear. Okay, Ritesh is also clear how they can execute the trade through Multyfi. Yes, guys. I can see there are there are more than 30 participants, but I can see only two clear. Like if you have any doubt, you can put it in the comment section as well. But if you are clear, just type clear. Okay, so that I can be assured that that I have to move forward. Okay. Clear. Okay, okay. So I guess most of you are clear. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me later. Okay. Whenever we are going to end the webinar, you can ask me at that point. Okay. So now you know that how to read the Multyfi setup. We are done with it. So date and time you get, trade direction you get the entry price, your entry range, stop loss level, everything you get within the app. Okay. Then you get the smart trade alerts. So this is your Multyfi's advantage. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you about the Multyfi's advantage. Get your trade alerts 15 minutes. Get your trade alerts 15 minutes before the execution. Whenever we are going to release a trade, okay, whenever we are going to release a trade, 15 minutes before, you will get a notification on your application and Telegram that we are about to release a trade in next 15 minutes. Okay. Whenever we are going to release a trade, 15 minutes before, you will get your notifications on your Multyfi app and your Telegram. You get enough time to analyze, plan, and manage your risk calmly. Okay. So you will get ample time to execute your trade. Okay. Then it is one click trade execution. As I have shown you, you can just click the about trade section. Then you can just click on execute order. Just go to your broker app and within seconds you can execute your order directly from your Multyfi app. Then there are some do's and don'ts with Multyfi. Very important. So I'll highlight everything with you guys. So what are your core do's? Enter trades only within the provided entry range. Okay. Use a fixed capital amount per trade across all segments. Take all trades for proper diversification. Keep Multyfi app and Telegram notifications enabled. Very, very important, guys. Very, very important. Then keep broker app ready when 15 minutes notification arrives. Very important again. Then what are your core don'ts? Never hold a position after stop loss is hit. Do not cherry pick or skip your trades. Do not average your losing position, guys. Do not exit without Multyfi notification. Do not mix trading and investment capital. Very, very important. Then do not break rules after one winning trade. Okay. So this is something you need to follow. Then what should be your capital allocation rules? For equity trades, use 10 to 15% of your total capital. For options trades, use 10%. If we ever give hero zero, maximum you should use is 5%. Then if we talk about the hedge trade, you need to buy first, then you need to sell. Okay. If we talk about hedging, you need to buy first, you need to execute the buying call, then you need to execute the selling call. Okay. Talking about futures, you should allot 15% per trade. Buy hedge first. If there is any kind of hedge with futures, you need to buy the hedge first. Talking about commodities, again 5 to 10% of the total capital should be allotted to your commodities, not more than 5 to 10% with your commodities. So this is how you should allot your capital across segment. Then talking about your real problems that we faced before Multyfi. Okay, now you have Multyfi, but what was your problem before Multyfi? So there are too many stocks and too little time to analyze. 2000 plus stocks moves daily on NSE, but only a few offer real opportunities. So you need manual scanning chart time that consumes your that consumes a lot of time, and it makes you inefficient. So you have Multify, your superhero, with you. You can just go and download Multify. You can opt for the plan. Just go to trade section and just click on the execute order. Okay. So how Multify filters your opportunities, how we figure out your trading opportunities. We run custom scanners on NSC daily. We apply filters based on proven market concepts. Then our certified experts perform advanced research. Only the best quality stocks are shortlisted. So as you can see through the app as well, we give very you can say that we give limited number of opportunities. We are not saying that we will give you 50 trades every day. Okay, even if we give 5 trades and they are of the best quality, you can achieve your financial freedom with us. Then why you should trust us? Performance transparency is visible. Okay, we are only one in the market. As I said in the beginning, we are only one in the market. So you have your historical trade metrics available on our website. Track performance, risk, and consistency directly through those trade metrics. Then complete transparency in our trade history. You can check everything. So you can just visit our website, or you can just check your application and download the Excel. Okay, you will get everything with us. So you need to read this carefully again. Who this is not for. Multify is not for you if you are looking for get rich quick schemes. Okay. If you expect 100% guaranteed profits, then Multify is not for you. You are willing to follow us, you are not willing to follow a structured rule based system. Okay. Then you believe in tips, rumors, or impulse trading, then Multify is not for you. Who this is for? If you are a serious trader or investor, then Multify is for you. We are here to help you. We are here to provide hand-holding support. You want to improve your decision making, not not chasing quick signals. Okay. You value SEBI registered guidance, then Multify is for you. You are ready to follow a systematic approach, then also Multify is for you. Okay, guys. So as I said, if I ask questions in between and you answer, you will get a special discount. A special discount for you guys. So this is the webinar special discount, flat 20%. You have your flat 20% discount on all quarterly and yearly plans. Make sure your all discounts are on quarterly and yearly plans. Okay. You just need to use the code webinar20 in caps. Okay. You just need to use the code webinar20 in caps. Go to your application, choose your plan, put the code webinar20. Okay. And if you have any query, if you have any kind of query, whether it is related to application, whether it is related to Multify, whether it is related to market, anything you have in your mind, note the WhatsApp number. It is 730-310-7157. Use 730-310-7157. Just go to your WhatsApp. Okay. Drop us a message. how you liked, how you think the webinar was. If you think it was great, just type a review. And if you think we need to improve, just type a review for that as well. Okay. Before taking the questions, I would like to ask, how was your webinar? You can just type in the comment section. For हिंदी ऑडियंस, जिसको भी वेबिनार अच्छा लगा या फिर कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट्स लगते हैं, कमेंट करके बताइए वेबिनार आपको कैसा लगा. हाउ वाज योर वेबिनार? जस्ट ड्रॉप अ रिव्यू in the comment section. I would love to read your reviews. Very, very important for me. And one thing, very, very important, this offer is only valid for webinar participants. Okay. So you can just download the application, click on your plan, apply the code webinar20. If you are selecting yearly plans, you will get a separate window to apply the code. And if you are choosing quarterly plans, you can directly apply the code webinar20. You will get 20% off. Okay. So I would love to have your reviews, guys. Swaroop is saying the webinar was great. Okay. See, guys, for future updates or any kind of update in future, you can directly drop us a WhatsApp. We will save your number. Okay. You can share your name. What is like, if your name XYZ, if your name is XYZ, just text us your name. We will save your number. You will get all the updates, all the videos, all the webinar updates directly on your WhatsApp. Okay. Nice. Okay, Ritesh. Thank you. Thank you, Swaroop. I would love to have your reviews, guys. How was your webinar? How was your webinar, guys? I would love to have your reviews in the comments. Yes, please. Great. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Amazing. Okay. Thank you. Anyone else would like to drop a feedback or anything? Okay. Now I am open for questions. Thank you, HV Vlogs. Now, guys, I'm open for questions. If you have your questions, you can directly put in the comment section. I'll take your name and I will take your question. Okay. If you have any type of question with you guys, you can directly put it in the comments. Okay, so you will be taking the quarterly plan. Great, great, Drama and Discipline. You can just download the application, go to the application, choose your quarterly plan. Okay. I would love to see you if you take equity and FNO as well. Okay. I would love to see you taking all the plans and executing your trades across all segments. All right, all right. Guys, uh, if you have your questions, I'm open to take your questions. Just drop your questions in the comments and I will be answering each and everything. I will be answering each and everything. Okay, great, great, Drama and Discipline. लॉस भी हो रहा है, थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन करोगे दिलीप कुमार? लाइक मैं चाहता हूं कि आप थोड़ा सा इलाबोरेट करके पूछो. देखो, लॉसेस आर ऑलवेज पार्ट ऑफ द गेम, बट आपको एक्यूरेसी चेक करा, इट इज क्लोज टू 80%. ठीक है, इट इज क्लोज टू 80% एंड 80% एक्यूरेसी यार, इट इज समथिंग नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल जो कि आपको मिल रही है. ठीक है, 20% चांसेस डेफिनेटली है लॉसेस के. ठीक है, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है कि आपको 100% एक्यूरेसी मिल जाएगी. ठीक है, दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. हमें मार्केट में समझना पड़ेगा. देखिए गाइस, अगर हम लोग रास्ते में चल रहे हैं, हम लोग गाड़ी चला रहे हैं, ठीक है, हम लोग तो अच्छे से चला रहे हैं ना, हमें नहीं पता कि आगे वाला पीछे वाला साइड से जो आ रहा है वो कैसे चला रहा होगा. वहां भी हमारी प्रोबेबिलिटी है ना कि हम लोग 90% प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि यार हम लोग घर सही सलामत पहुंच जाएंगे. ठीक है, इसी तरह से मार्केट में भी प्रोबेबिलिटी होती है. 50-50 से हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं मार्केट के अंदर. अब हमारे ऊपर है कि हम लोग उसको 80 पे कैसे लेके आए कि यार 80% हम अपने घर पहुंच जाएंगे, अपने प्रॉफिट तक पहुंच जाएंगे. बट एक्सीडेंट भी हो सकता है मार्केट में, इसीलिए वी यूज स्टॉप लॉसेस. ठीक है, मार्केट का नेचर ही है वो कि वो एक्सीडेंट करवाएगा, तो इसीलिए हम लोग स्टॉप लॉसेस लेते हैं अपने. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बट आपको ट्रांसपेरेंसी के साथ ये दिख रहा है कि 80% आपके टारगेट्स हो रहे हैं. सो वो एक आपके पास सुपर हीरो की पावर है जो कि आप अनलीश कर सकते हो. सिंपली आप वेबिनार के थ्रू कोड लगाइए, एप्लीकेशन में जाइए, कोड पुट कीजिए, अपने प्लान्स को एग्जीक्यूट कीजिए. जो आपको ट्रेडिंग प्लान मिल रहा है आप उसको एग्जीक्यूट कीजिए. ग्रेट सर, फर्स्ट टाइम आई बिलीव. थैंक यू, अमेजिंग, थैंक यू. ईयरली प्लान, ओके, ऑल राइट, ऑल राइट. पॉज ऑफ डेस्टिनी, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. तो इसीलिए एक्सीडेंट से बचने के लिए हमें स्टॉप लॉसेस की बहुत ज़्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट है. ठीक है, परचेज डन, ऑल राइट, ऑल राइट. वेलकम, वेलकम. सो परचेज इज डन, ऑल राइट, ऑल राइट. Guys, now if you have any specific questions, you can drop your questions in the comments. आई वुड लाइक कि अगर आप लोग एक बार स्ट्रीम को जल्दी से लाइक भी कर दें एक बार. ठीक है, स्ट्रीम को एक बार लाइक भी कर दीजिए, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो गाइज, लास्ट 30 सेकेंड्स. इफ आपके क्वेश्चंस है, यू कैन पुट योर क्वेश्चंस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. अदरवाइज वी विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट वेबिनार. ओके, 30 सेकेंड्स. कोई क्वेश्चन है, आई वुड लव टू टेक योर क्वेश्चंस. अदरवाइज आप वेबिनार के एंड में वीडियो एक बार चेक कर सकते हैं, व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं. हम लोग नेक्स्ट वेबिनार में मिलेंगे, वहाँ पे भी आप अपने क्वेश्चंस को लेके आ सकते हैं. ओके, सो हाउ कैन वी ऑटोमेट these trades? So Yogesh, first of all, for automation, 15 minutes prior we post the trade, 15 minutes before we post the trade, you get a notification that we are going to release a trade. Okay, so you can directly open your this thing, your broker app. Either you can have your algos, either you can have your automations ready. Otherwise you can just try to be active on your broker platform and the Multyfi platform. As soon as the trade is released, you can just click on the execute order. At the very similar moment you can have your trades executed. Okay, so this is how you can go. Otherwise, you can put in your algos. You can put in your prices. As soon as the trade is punched with Multyfi, you get your trades executed. Okay. So this is something you can do. So for any queries, you can WhatsApp. Okay. If you have any query, you can note this WhatsApp number. Very important, 730-310-7157. Guys, with your overwhelming response, इतने सारे रिस्पॉन्सेज आए एप्लीकेशन के ऊपर कि एप्लीकेशन थोड़ी देर के लिए फ्लाइट मोड में चला गया है, ठीक है। तो कूपन कोड वेबिनार 20 जिस जिस के लिए भी काम नहीं कर रहा है, जस्ट ड्रॉप अस अ व्हाट्सएप। हमारी टीम की तरफ से आपको मॉर्निंग में कॉल आ जाएगा या फिर अभी थोड़ी देर में कॉल आ जाएगा। जो भी यूज नहीं कर पा रहा है ना कूपन कोड वेबिनार 20, जस्ट ड्रॉप अस अ व्हाट्सएप, ठीक है। इतने रिस्पॉन्सेज आए हैं कि एप्लीकेशन थोड़ी देर के लिए फ्लाइट मोड में है, ठीक है। चलिए, अच्छा, मैं एक स्पेशल चीज बोलना चाहूंगा। अगर आप लोगों को वन ऑन वन भी कनेक्ट करना है ना, ठीक है, इफ यू वांट टू कनेक्ट वन ऑन वन, जस्ट एक बार आप व्हाट्सएप पे क्लिक कर लो, ठीक है। इस नंबर पे व्हाट्सएप कर दो, ठीक है। अगर आप लोग वन ऑन वन भी कनेक्ट करना चाहते हो तो, ठीक है, वहां पे भी आपके क्वेश्चंस ले लेंगे, ठीक है। सो जस्ट गो टू योर व्हाट्सएप एंड ड्रॉप अस अ व्हाट्सएप। योगेश, एक आपको ना पूरा फ्रेमवर्क दे देंगे, जस्ट ड्रॉप अस अ व्हाट्सएप, ओके। एक व्हाट्सएप ड्रॉप कर दो योगेश, ओके। पूरा फ्रेमवर्क दे देंगे वहां पे। आई होप योगेश आपको वेबिनार पसंद आया। आई होप यू लाइक द वेबिनार। Guys, I hope you liked the webinar. Yogesh, particularly you. Let me know in the comments. Okay, okay, HV Vlogs. Okay, guys. So, I hope सबके क्वेश्चंस मैंने आंसर किए एंड आप लोगों को ये वेबिनार काफ़ी अच्छा लगा होगा। सो नाउ we will be closing this session, okay। If you have any query, you can drop a WhatsApp anytime, and now we will meet again in next webinar. Thank you guys for having me. Thank you for attending the webinar. Just download the application, trade with Multyfi